and welcome to Bike Social. And we're here in the Isle of Man TT paddock area, specifically the Dunlop tyre fitting area. And it's been Dunlop tyres that have won the last 12 senior TT races. In fact, earlier this week, Michael Dunlop on a Tyco BMW won by over 50 seconds on his Dunlop. The company bring over 750 slick rear tyres for the 22 Dunlop riders who participate here in the, it's only in the big races like the Superbike race and the senior race. But how do those bits of rubber get onto the tyres? Well, here we're going to find out.
One, two, three, go for it, Hager! There you go.